Hi guys, it's Miss Cagliari here, trying to teach you something I learned somehow. Don't ask me how, but anyways. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go to our Ziggy camera. Now the Ziggy camera is gonna show you usually your desk in this way. So you're gonna try to set it up in your window, whatever size you want. Then you're gonna open a second one, a new window. In this new window, is going to be for your face, for your desk. So you switch over here, select camera, and you go with your computer camera. Then we keep playing with this thingy. Don't look at my background because I know my room is a mess. It's full of cats sleeping. Ouchie. You can do everything like that before you meet with your kiddos. And then you're going to open a little sticky note or something like that. I like sticky notes because they are small and they don't have too much complex things. What are you sticking out? What I do in those sticky notes, I put the concept, I frame the lesson, I put the basic concepts I'm going to be teaching that day. So what's going to happen is they're going to be seeing your face in one and your desk in the other one. Let me bring papers. Can show you. Okay, I put my kitty over here. So then after that, you go to your Chrome. I'm using my husband's computer because I'm going to tell you I broke my computer. So then I go to Google. Okay, it took a little bit while. Yeah, my internet at home is kind of funny. And then you go to Meet. You create a new meeting, and I don't know, I'm going to put my crazy cat and continue. Then you're going to click present your entire screen, click over there, put share, minimize the thing, and you are presenting the thing. Now, that's if you want to do a live video and presentation with your students. Now, if you want to do just a video so they can see at home later on, so you're going to use a Screencastify and save it, and you can upload the thing on your website. It's a little bit easier in Mac because everything is better in Mac, but this is the way you do on with Microsoft. And then after that, you stop sharing like I already did, and that's it. I hope it was good for you guys. And sorry, my room is a mess.